service. I reiterate that today, this is our burden as a ministry, and we will not rest until a fair solution is found. You go ahead and do your best and trust God to do the rest. Ladies and gentlemen, the vice of examination malpractices now, and the equally disturbing issue of head teachers that misappropriate the learners' examination registration fees. This also continues to be a great challenge that negatively impacts on the education of our children. I wish to once again categorically state that the Ministry of Education and Sports will not tolerate examination malpractices. Indeed, the UNEB Act of 2021 provides for punitive action for those found guilty of participating in and condoning this practice. Additionally, I wish to warn the proprietors of schools who are found to be involved in the misappropriation of these examination registration fees that the Uganda National Examination Board will not hesitate to suspend or even cancel the affected examination centers, as is provided for in Section 32, subsection 4 of the UNEB Act of 2021. Finally, I'd like to thank the chairperson, the board, the executive director and staff of UNEB for the wonderful work they have done in successfully delivering the results of these examinations. I congratulate the candidates who have performed well, and for those who have not done as well as they expected, there is time to try once again, or to seize the other opportunities available to acquire skills for life. I join UNEB in thanking the security agencies represented here today by Colonel Meme Silvia from UPDF and Assistant Commissioner of Police Mr. Mate Godfrey from the Uganda Police Force, and all other persons that worked in various agencies in conducting of these examinations.
Our TV West Disenyomo Gideon.